getting the ice out of it. A little bit of corn left in there that the rain washed down, snow. We'll engage. Everything back there sounds good. Head's going. It's up, augering. Nothing's froze up. That's a surprise. It's pretty chilly out. Got a bunch of snow yesterday. It melted away, but figured with water being down in everything, have a chance of there being a chunk of ice in that auger or something, but it spit it out. Gonna pick the last of the corn, the last of the crop for 2021. Actually, hopefully be done in 2021 if everything goes good today. Combine's running good, so talk to you in a few. Alright, out picking corn now. This is the last field we have of 2021. I just chased a coyote out of the end of the field, so I called my brother and it went into the next field over, which is still our field, and he just called me back and said he got it. So that's good. One less coyote. We seen two out here the other day. We're actually planning a coyote hunt after picking this corn. So one down. Seen two the other day running together. So I'm sure there's a few more around. We know there's at least one more. Chased a couple rabbits out of here. Then I seen a coyote take off. So he got it. Picking it 4.2 miles an hour. Going along pretty good. Well, that sucked. Semi showed up. I was just about full. I was actually going to have to back out of the road. I ended up having to anyways. That gathering chain right there came off, so wasn't grabbing the corn. The other chain did clear out there because it was pretty full of stalks, but got it cleaned out. Now I'm going to go unload. My brother's grabbing the truck, so we'll have some tools. Gonna slap it back on there. Then we'll be going again, but I'm just going to unload this. Got a pretty full load. Alright, window's dirty, but see corn growing off there. Gonna get this unloaded and get to fixing that gathering chain. Actually got a hopper bottom today. Normally he brings the dump truck, or dump trailer, but he was already out with this, and he said he'd come and just wait on us since we're almost done anyways. Just got a little bit over there and this little bit here, the center we picked out for ear corn. We opened this field up, got one semi-load out of it, then did a bunch for ear corn in the middle, and now we're back to finishing it off with this. I think it'll all fit on this one load. If not, we'll probably have maybe a wagon load of ear corn left out here, so we'll just grind a load of ear corn, come back out with a wagon and pick the rest. Semi did a little bit of mud bogging there, but he made it, so. Oh, it's definitely all gonna fit on that one truck. There's not even as much over here as I thought. I thought we had 3 more rounds over here than we do, so it'll all fit. Gathering chain's back on, working, kind of loose. Needs replaced really, but we literally have 10 acres left, so not even 8 acres. I don't know. It's not a lot, but not gonna go replace a gathering chain right now while we got a semi waiting on us for 8 acres. Yield is not good in this field. Don't know why. It's usually a pretty good field, holds moisture, but not good. Probably needs fertilizer. Alright, going good. Hard to see through that screen in the back window, but that's corn growing in the hopper. Not a lot coming through there, so that's good. Alright. Talk to you if anything else happens. Unloading again. Don't have much more. I don't think I'll be able to get it all in one hopper, but we're gonna be close to it. Probably pick half of it, come unload, and then pick the other half, just so that way I'm not going back all the way across the field just to pick a half a row. But almost there. Harvest 2021 is about wrapped up. I don't know if you can see it right there. There's a rabbit. That's exactly what happened last time when I seen that coyote. It just ran out of the end row. I was watching the rabbits run out. There was a couple of them, and then a coyote popped up, probably out here trying to get a rabbit. I also did not go empty after I did half of it, like I said I was going to. I thought I could make it. It's gonna be close. There's a hole there. Talking to you guys. This is the last 6 rows of 2021 corn harvest. Might actually finish before the new year. There's been a lot of years we've been out after New Year's picking. So, getting done early. I don't know if it's all going to fit going across this way or not. I'm going to end up on the right end of the field if it does. That means it probably won't fit. What are the odds you actually end up on the right end of the field? It's getting full. Maybe we'll end it off with some calf corn. Who knows? Talk to you in a few. Oops. Got my calf corn. Still have some to go. So, not gonna finish it in that hopper. Gonna go unload. I didn't think it looked that full. I thought I had at least half more of that to go before I had to worry about that. Ah well. Coming back down to the end here. Gonna finish off this last 6 rows and we'll be done. Guess I should probably turn the heat on, but it's kind of comfortable in here. Windows are fogging up though. I'll make it. There's all my spilt corn from the calf corn. I forgot my head mount in my truck and it's way over there, so you guys just have to deal with me holding the phone. Alright, that's going to be the end of it right here. Just 100 yards more. Corn going in. Semi's not even going to be quite full. I thought there was a lot more over there than there was, but there wasn't. I thought there was about the same amount over here and over there, but there was way more over here. And there wasn't even a lot over here. So, semi will hold it all. And we're going to wrap it up. You guys seen that cold start of the combine? It hadn't been ran in a couple of weeks. It's been rain and snow and cold, nasty. It started. It took forever. Probably should have just gave it a shot of ether, but it started without even hooking up jumper cables, so. This is gonna be it, right here. Yep, that's all. Let the combine clean out back there, run all that out, get it all in the hopper. I could pull up next to the semi, but I don't really want to be throwing all the husk out of the straw chopper out the back onto it. Not much left in there. Put the auger out. Pull up next to the semi. Same thing as always. Nice bright yellow semi. There's a little bit of corn in there. It ain't gonna be nowhere near full though. Shake the combine back and forth a little bit to knock anything down that's in the hopper. We'll clean it out a little bit better once we get over there. I just don't want to hold up the semi driver. He's got more loads to haul for other people. He was nice enough to bring this over for us to fill up with our last corn today, so don't want to hold him up any longer than we have to. He's over there waiting. All right. That auger in. Get turned around. I'm gonna talk to the semi driver real quick. Then I'll bring you guys back. Semi driver doesn't mess around. He was turning and burning. He seen me get in and unloading, and he hopped in and took off. Like I say, he's a busy man. Great guy. He traps, so we offered him that Coyote, but something about my brother's AR and 3 shots made it to where he didn't want it. All right, talk to you in a few. All right, so we just got done coon hunting. 3 yellow labs here. So there will be a picture of what we got, or a coyote. I don't know which yet. Good boy, Rusty. Here's Rusty. He's getting big. Good boy. Sissy, Dolly, got a Great Pyrenees. That's Rusty. So there will be a picture of a coyote. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, have a good one.